Hello everyone, Michael Vandergrift, MCB Realty, coming to you with the 3Rivers Market Report for February 7th, 2021. Market's really moving, got a lot of up arrows going on. Houses still getting sold. One of the few down arrows we got is actually active available homes over the last week, down 3%, but up 35% year over year. New listings were up 7% week over week. Year over year up 17%. Solds were up 12% week over week, up 21% year over year. Pendings were up less than 1% week over week, up 3% year over year. Median sale price came in at $226,000, showing actually 3% depreciation, which we haven't seen a whole lot of in recent times. Days on market was 37 average, 16 median, versus last year we were at 24 average, 10 median. But it was a little faster than the previous week, so we sped up a little bit. Homes sold over the last 12 months were 4,242 versus the year before 5,017. So showing still a slowdown, according to those numbers, about 15.4%. But remember, we're still moving up from that high of 18% we were down. And we think that's going to flatten or be positive by the end of the year, because we feel that 2023 was probably the lowest amount of homes sold possible with that slowdown. So we think we hit the minimum at, that 4,000 mark. And that is your market report in a nutshell. Feel free to reach out to us if you need anything. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.